Hi all, I've been getting a lot of questions about how to join a class. So obviously you see I have a lot of classes here, but once you get to Google Classroom, you're going to click the plus sign, you're going to click join a class, and then you have to enter your class code. Now this one's just for demonstration, so please don't join this class. It's going to load, say joining. Sometimes it takes a second. And here I am in my class, okay? This is your stream where you can respond to your teacher. Maybe they'll post a morning message. You can click and just respond. When you hit the little arrow, it posts it. Then your teacher might also use classwork to post assignments. So example, here's an assignment that the teacher posted. If I click on it, it opens up. I have my document here. You can also click view assignment. And you will see little tips pop up from time to time. You can just click got it or X them out. And this is where now you're in the assignment. You can add or create work. So you can add work, you can add pictures, links, things you've created in here. Or you can click on your assignment right here that they posted in Google Docs. Teachers can set it up where they share a copy with each student. It will automatically insert the student's name up here. And then you'll see the post of what the teacher wrote. And then you can just click below. You can type your response. And then when you're done, over here, there's a button that says turn in. And that's going to turn in your assignment. It says your work is turned in, turn in. Now, if you make a mistake and you accidentally turn it in, you can unsubmit. That's a little short how to use Google. Always go back to the main class. So stream and classwork are your main focuses. Remember, always think before you post. This is a shared classroom and your whole class can see it. Have a great day.